Howdy guys, it's Lecky here from ProPhysio Plus. This is Tradie Tips. Hey guys, the first injury I want to discuss is low back pain. The tough thing for tradies is that you're bending, you're pushing, you're pulling, you're very busy throughout the day. Your back injury could be a muscle problem, a bone problem, or a disc problem, or a combination of all three. Okay, so after your assessment, we found that it's most likely a muscle or a bone problem in the back. That's usually a sign that you're overloading things. If you're out in the trenches and you're really busy, sometimes it's really important to manage yourself appropriately, and just even if it's 5 minutes, just having a quick break from what you're doing, and then spacing your day out with the bending, the lifting, the pushing and pulling. At the end of the day, you'll usually come up a lot better than how you are typically. The most challenging is if you have a disc pain, and just like anything, they can vary from fairly mild to quite moderate back pain to severe. The thing that I give most people that gives you the best return quickly is a simple exercise, which is repeated back arches. So what you're looking to do is, you want to try and stand nice and tall and you're blocking around your belt line. And I just want you to try and arch backwards as far as you can comfortably. And when you're quite sore, you might just initiate some back arches and it's sore. But over time, if you can try and do this quite repeatedly throughout the day, it really helps reduce that disky back pain. I hope you got something out of that video. If you'd like to know more, find us online. We're at prophysioplus.com.au. Come say hello.